In this quick guide, I'll show you how to categorize transactions in Zoho Books so your financial records stay organized and accurate. Start by logging into Zoho Books and heading to the banking module from the left sidebar. Select the bank account that contains the transactions you want to categorize. Once inside, click on the Unmarked Uncontrolled Transactions tab to see all entries that need your attention. For each transaction, click Categorize. Begin by choosing the transaction type, whether it's an expense, income, or transfer. Next, pick the right category like office supplies, bank charges, or sales revenue. Fill in the payee or payer details, confirm the amount, and verify the date matches your bank statement. Once everything looks correct, click Save to categorize the transaction. Repeat this process for all uncategorized items to keep your financial records neat, accurate, and ready for reporting. And that's it. With these simple steps, managing your transactions in Zoho Books becomes quick and stress-free.